When you log into QuickBooks Online for the very first time, if you already have an existing company, you probably already have your chart of accounts. So what you can do to import those is actually go to accounting over here on the left-hand side and then click on chart of accounts. And then on the right-hand side under new, you can click the drop-down tab and click import. And this way, if you already have your chart of accounts in an Excel file, you can download the sample file right here. And then you can fill in the information about your chart of accounts, and then it'll go ahead and start the process to continue to update your chart of accounts. This is a fairly simple process, and QuickBooks does a really great job of giving all the information and walking you through it step by step. Another thing that you can do is if you have just started a company and you are looking at customizing your chart of accounts, whenever you set up your QuickBooks Online account, they're going to ask you what type of business that you have, and they're going to go ahead and put in some prompts for you, such as services for income or purchases and different things like that. So you can go ahead and start to customize and set things up if you have a brand new QuickBooks account and if you have a brand new company as well. Some things that I would recommend doing would be to add in a sub accounts as well. So right now this is under uncategorized expense, but if you had advertising as the name of this expense right here, and if you maybe do Facebook advertising, and maybe if you advertise in your local paper, or if you do advertisements on Google, you probably want to do sub accounts for those. And to create a sub account, it's fairly simple. All you have to do is click new up here in the upper right hand corner, and then you'll want to go down to expenses. And as you can see, advertising promotional is already set up right here. And then you just want to name your account. So let's name this Google advertising. And then you just click, it's a sub account right here. And then you can choose the uncategorized expense, which would probably say advertising. And then you click save and close. And now you already have Google advertising right here. And the beautiful thing about this is that all of these advertising line items are going to add up on your reports to be this main account, but you can still break it down to see what exactly you're spending money on in each of those categories. This makes things a lot easier, especially whenever you're recording purchases that you've made. It takes a lot of the guesswork out of what you're supposed to be purchasing. I hope that helps. And if you ever have more questions, you can feel free to email me, Lydia@dacbalance.com. I'll have all that information linked below. Thank you.